Everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will create a simple navigation driver using Kotlin programming language. So let's see what we will create or what we will develop. This is a simple navigation driver uh, with many menus like home, message, settings, login. When you click one of them, like I click message, it will display a toast message for messages clicked, settings, login, share. So we want to create such kind of navigation driver in Android. So stay with us and watch the video till the end. So let's go first create a project. I go here, new project. From here, I select empty view activity. And I name the project like I say Android navigation driver. And the language is Kotlin. We finish. Okay, the project is successfully created. So we'll start by going to the activity main.xml, which is the user interface. I got displayed, and I need to delete this text view from here, first of all. And also, I want to change the constraint layout here to that driver layout because we are using driver layout. So I write here driver layout. As you can see, the layout is changed. So here, I'm going to create a constraint layout. It's the constraint layout with match parent. And inside this constraint layout, I will create a text view. Web content. We can say web content, and we say text, like we say navigation driver. We can say text size. I can say only 6 SV. Once I go here and text style is bold. So here we created, like I put this one in the middle of the screen here, and also constraint. And also we need to define an ID for our navigation driver. So ID, I say navigation, or say driver layout. That's all. So here, to show a navigation driver, we need to define a navigation view. So here I define a navigation view. Weight, wrap content, and height match parent. And also I define an ID for this. So ID is a navigation view, or is it nav underscore view? This is the ID for this. Also, we define the layout gravity star. And feed system window true. So this is our main activity, or activity main.xml, and we now go to the layout folder. We need to define a header for our navigation. So I go here in the layout folder, right click, and I click layout resource file. Here I say nav underscore header. This is the header file for our navigation driver. So we'll go here, split, and I change this layout, constraint layout, to the liner layout. Yeah. Let's define the liner layout. Yes. So this is our nav underscore header.xml file, which we. So here I just need to change layout I, not to match parent, because we only need a wrap content for it. So here also you can define the orientation. Orientation is like you can define vertical. Orientation is vertical, and also we define the margin top like 15 dp, and also margin start, layout margin start, like I say 15 dp. So as you can see, and inside this layout we are going to define our image view, text view, and image view and text view. So what I do, I go to Google, and we need to add a library. So also here is my GitHub page, My GitHub page is Ashraf Gardazi, and if you can come here and see, I have a lot of project with source code. You can use this for your project if you need it, like Android Topic Co-Finder, Android Vaccine app. I have WorldCap app, calculator app, Spanish Code Teacher app, video player, music player, all the things. So let's go to add the circle image view library. Android circle image view. You just Google it. Yeah, this is the first link. As you can see here, we'll go in this link, and this is the library which you need to add because Android itself does not provide. Like you can see, this is the library which show your photo in circular. So let's go here, and we had the dependency here. So I copy this dependency and add to my project. So then we define such kind of circle image view. So let's go to the Android, and I go to the Gradle. Here I go to the module, build.gradle module, in the section of, yeah, here in the dependency section, I will add this. And you need to sync your project. I will sync the project. Okay, the project is, as you can see, syncing. It means downloading the library for this. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's done. So now we go here and we define a circle view, circle image view. Circle, if you type circle image view, it will, yeah, this is a circle image view. Like I say, the weight should be 62 dp, and also the height should be 62 dp. And also here I can define the source, like Android source. From here I get the picture. So I go here on my desktop. I have a picture here. As you can see, I copy this picture. Let me go to the Android Studio. So I close this window. Yeah. And I define the source here. But before defining the source, I paste my image view inside the folder, drawable folder. So I say paste. Here you can see paste. And I change the name. The name is capital, but I will put it small later. So that's all. And the source should be now. Yeah, now you can see my picture. So this was for the picture. And now we define the text view, which should represent the name, wrap content. And also here say text. I say text should be my name, like whatever name you want. And also the text size, like I said, it's 22 sp. I hope, oh, it's very big. So I just put sp, 20 sp. Yeah, it's good. Let me say text style, bold. And we can say padding top, like 10 dp if you want. Yeah. It's my text view, and you can define an ID for it also, like ID txt name. I think it's a little big. It's okay, we copy this one because we need to define email and phone. So like I change the ID txt email. Okay, and also no, we don't need to bold this text, so we delete that. And the text size is 20 sp. We make it like 16 sp. Yeah. So here, 16 sp, and I write my email, like whatever email you want, like busy Android, like. This is the email, and we need to copy this text. We create also the txt full. And here I need just to define the phone, like I said, 46 77889999. This is a phone number. So as you can see, this is our nav header. So we define the nav header. First, we created a liner layout, weight of match point, and height is wrap content, because it should be wrap content, not more than this. So also we define the circle view image, which represents the image, and also a text view for the name, a text view for the email, a text view for the phone number, but also we need a view which creates a line for us. I say a view, okay. Oh, sorry. We need to create a view. a view layout with match parent, layout height 1 dp, and also I define here a background color because it's background color like I said black. Let's create a line for us here. And also you can define margin top like 30 dp. You can see in this picture. Okay. So now we define a menu for this. We define a menu for our navigation driver. We defined the header. This was the header, but we need to define a menu. So you can go to the resource folder here, right click on the resource folder and create Android resource directory. And from the value, select menu and OK. The menu folder is created. Now we need to create a file. Right click on the menu folder and go to here, menu resource file. And we call this one nav underscore menu. So this is a menu file. Inside this menu file, we are going to create our menu. Yeah, this is a menu, as you can see. So here inside this, we need to create our menu, whatever menu we already had. So we create that menu here. So it should choose the first item should be home. So we define the item and also ID like an ID nav home or whatever. Yeah, nav underscore home. And also the title and the icon for this. So we need to define the icons. So how we can define the icons? So let's add the icons. Go to the driver folder, right click, new. Here we say Victor Asset. From Victor Asset, I click here and I search for home. I create this one, home. Yeah, next, and finish. This is for home. So I also create for message, for setting, and for login. So new, we can go here, Victor Asset. We can select here for message. Yeah, this is a message folder, message icon, next, finish. And also I create for a setting, Victor Asset, we go here, click on here, and search for settings. And I need this one, okay, finish. And also for login and share. So I go new, Victor Asset, login, yeah, this is the login icon, okay. I go for new, Victor Asset, we need for share. Share, which one? Yeah, this one is better. So as you can see here in our driver folder, we created all the icons for it. So let's select the icon for its item. So this is the title, but yeah, we can select the icon. Well, icon. So the icon is home. Yeah, from driver folder, and also the title. The title is home. Yeah. This is our first item. We go to the second item, and inside this item ID, we define the ID add plus ID. This is nav message, and also the icon. So the icon is message. Yeah, here you can see. And the title is message. So we define another item for setting, nav settings icon, file item setting, okay, and the title is settings. Now I create an item and I put here the title only. I say the title should be profile. Inside this item I create another menu, so menu. Inside this I create an item. ID is equal to login, nav login, and icon should be login, and the title should be login. So this one for the profile and also for the communication or communicate, we need another item here to add it. Item title equal to communicate. Inside we need a menu. Inside this we need an item for share. Item ID equal to nav underscore share, and the icon is share and also the title is sure. Okay, as you can see, our menu is created here, but we need the menu should be in this side. For this, we need to add here in our menu. We need to add here the tools, XML tools. So I add XML tools, and here I will say that tools should n equal to navigation underscore view. Yeah, now you can see this option, navigation underscore view, which is from the tools library. From this library we added, and instead of Android, the namespace should be tools shoe n is a property which show our menu in navigation view, or like a navigation view, as you can see here. So now we go to the activity main.xml. We created a navigation view here with ID nav view, the layout with wrap content, because we don't want to get all the weight, but layout is much important because the navigation dropper goes from up to down. If stored fit system windows, yes, true, which will make more responsive for navigation view. And now we define here a header layout. Where is our header layout? Our header layout is on the folder of, as you can see, folder of layout. We created our nav header here. So I say, if I write here nav header, it will represent. And also our menu. Where is our menu? Our menu is on the menu folder and called nav menu. So this was for the main activity, and also we need when we create a project in Android, we go to the values folder in the themes. It doesn't have actually action bar, so we need to define here the action bar. So we need app compile dot denote action bar. Yeah. Now our application has an action bar. So here I will go in the main activity because we finished the layout, or we need to define the logic part. So in the main activity, first of all, I need to define a variable called toggle, type of action bar toggle. This is the toggle button which represents on the activity, and also we need to define our dropper layout for I say dropper layout equal type of dropper layout, yeah, equal to find v by id r.id dot dropper layout, yeah, and also we need to connect with var nav view type of navigation view equal to find v by id r.id dot nav underscore view. And here we need to define event for toggle button. The toggle button, we define it here. So I say toggle equal to action bar dropper toggle. The first thing is the main activity, or you can say this, and the second is our dropper layout, yeah. And the third is r dot string dot open. The fourth parameter is r dot string dot close. We need to define this on string .xml file. Here you can define in string .xml file. Now open and close. So we need to define here two strings. So I say string name is equal to open, and the text should be open. And also we need another string. The name should be closed and the text should be closed. Now save it, and as you can go here and see, yep, the problem solved. And now we need to add an action listener for this. So we say dropper layout dot add dropper listener for the toggle. Whenever user click on a toggle, you have to listen to the event. And also toggle dot sync state. And also we need to support action bar dot, we need to display actually the action bar on the home page of our application. So we define say display Yep, which one? Yeah, this one. We need this one. And here, as I put a question mark means if it's null or it's not null actually. Should accept both. So here, set display show home enabled represent our action bar actually on the home page of our application. So this was for the toggle button, and now we go for navigation button or for navigation menu actually. So we are here event for navigation menu. We define this one. So what was the name of navigation? So we defined it nav view dot what set navigation item selected listener, as you can see on here. And we need to define here a switch statement when, and we say item dot item dot id. Take this one and compare with the case if r dot id dot nav home. Yeah, it was nav underscore home. So what do? You should display a toast message. Toast dot make text. This, and here you can select. You selected it. You select it. Oh, me no. And also we need to define the toast duration. So toast dot length short and that's true. We need to copy this one for all orders menu. So simply copy. So we need to change. This one is nav home. This one is nav message. And also you selected message menu. This one is also for settings. Actually, the ID is here. The ID is in our menu folder. If you go here, for everyone we define it an ID. Nav view home, nav message, nav settings, and nav login. So that's coming from here. So settings. Also nav login. Select login menu. And also the share. So here we say share menu. And this is the when, and this is actually the item, so it should return true. Yeah. And also we need to define the on options item selected for on option item selected when the user select item menu item when the user select from the if the user is selected, if we define if toggle menu is selected, then we say it should return true. True, else it should pass to the super class. Okay, this is our main activity. First, we define a variable called toggle, which is a action border of a toggle, which represent our toggle button. I'll show you. And now also we defined the variable and we connected the drawer layout. We connected our nav view with the nav view, and now we defined the event for toggle button, and also we defined the event for the navigation menu. And also we checked if the toggle button is clicked or selected or not selected. If it's selected, it should return true, otherwise it should return false. So let's run our application. Our application is ready, so let's run it and see. As you can see, our app is running on the Android emulator. So one thing I should clear for you is that here I put it a wrong attribute for support action bar. It should be set display home has enabled true. So it should show the toggle button here. This is the toggle button. Whenever we click on this toggle button, we'll see that everything we coded is available here. So we created successfully and a navigation driver. If you click on message, if you click on setting or login or share. So it was very easy. So I hope this video help you how to create a simple navigation driver. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and also like the video and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video.